Trend following systems. Entry and exit levels are self-explanatory for price-driven triggers, since the violation of a historical high or low signals entry or exit of particular price-driven trading system, such as channel breakout. Trading system parameters. Less is more. All of the trading systems examined herein are the simplest imaginable while still showing overall profitability. I argue that simple is better because trading systems with fewest parameters have the best overall chance at generating future results that are similar to their past performance history. 2 moving average crossover. The 2 moving average crossover is probably the simplest and the most robust trend following trading system. Traders initiate long positions and exit shorts whenever the shorter term moving averages settles above longer term moving averages. They stop and reverse whenever the shorter term moving average settles below longer term moving average. Channel breakout. Channel breakout is purely price triggered trend following system. Although our backtest will employ Donchian's original 20-day stop and reverse parameters, readers are encouraged to experiment with modifications, including lengthening the parameter. Psychological profile of a trend following trader. Willingness to buy recent highs and sell recent lows. Trend trading works because it is extremely difficult to buy highs and sell lows. Psychological reminders to help with this problem.